Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the micro adjustments on your Casio AE1200WH. This is going to be the Casio Royale. So after you have adjusted the bracelet, maybe you want to make it just a little bit tighter or just a little bit looser. In case you want to watch the full video, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, and I'm going to show you how to remove the links from your bracelet. Make sure to check the link in the description. And for this tutorial we are going to use the pin remover. So this is going to be a basic watchmaker toolkit that you can find inside the basic watchmaker tool kit right there. And what we want to do is to use this end of the pin remover in order to push the pin right here. I'm going to push it inside, and then I'm going to move the bracelet towards the exterior so that the pin is going to come off. Now let's presume that I want to make it a little bit looser. I'm going to use the first micro adjustment right here. So I'm going to insert one end of the pin, and then I'm going to hold it just like this while I'm going to take the pin remover and I'm going to use the other end with the two teeth in order to push the spring bar inside right underneath the hole, just like that. And now I have made the watch a little bit looser, so the bracelet is going to be just one micro adjustment longer. There is going to be a second way in order to make this a lot faster in case you have more experience, and that is going to be by pushing the pin right here inside and moving it to the next hole, and we are going to do the same thing on the other end as well. So I'm going to push it inside and I'm going to push the bracelet towards the second hole. So once again, push it towards the second hole. As you can see, I hit the second hole. Now I'm going to flip the bracelet around just like this. Now we are going to do the same thing on the other end as well. So I'm going to push the spring bar inwards and try to push it with the fingers to grab it and let's say send it to the second hole. So just like this. And now, as you can see, we have made this adjustment on both ends at the same time. So this second method is going to be faster, but not necessarily easier in case you do not have very much experience with bracelets, with adjusting the pins, so the spring bars. Once again guys, if you want to watch the full guide with how to adjust the bracelet, so how to remove the U links right here, so these folded links, this type of bracelet, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And also I'm going to post a full video with all the functions and features of this particular model. Once again, everything is going to be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow. Also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.